Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Elantra brake light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You'll then need to locate the two screws that hold the taillight assembly in place on the side of your car. These are usually visible from the outside. Once you've located the screws, use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove both of them. After the screws are out, gently pull the entire taillight assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but avoid prying it. Once the assembly is free, you'll see the bulb sockets. Twist the brake light bulb socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Now that the socket is free, you can easily remove the old bulb. Simply pull it straight out from its connection point. Take your new brake light bulb and firmly insert it into the empty socket. Make sure it's seated correctly. Then, carefully twist the bulb socket clockwise back into the taillight assembly, ensuring it locks securely into place. With the new bulb installed and the socket secured, it's time to reassemble. Carefully align the taillight assembly with its mounting points and gently push it back into position until it sits flush. Then, reinsert and tighten the two screws you removed earlier to secure the entire assembly. Finally, test your new brake light to ensure it's working correctly. Also, for those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book on money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.